Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great today. It's Sunday, about 7:15 in the morning. I am going to make something that I tried yesterday at United. They take the crescent rolls, they lay it out flat, they put on the pesto, and then put on Italian cheese, and then roll it up and bake it. And I'm going to use this old number 8 gate marked griddle, and we'll see how it turns out. Alright, while I'm also doing the pesto, I'm also cooking up some bacon. Gonna make breakfast for me and my wife before she goes to work at the church this morning. And we'll see how everything turns out. Alright guys, I got the pesto spread out. I took and put the cheese on top. Also added a little bit more of Italian seasoning on it just to see how it turns out. I've never used the pesto before. Honestly, it doesn't look very good when you put it on there, but hopefully everything turns out great. Alright guys, I had to switch out the pan. That little round griddle just wasn't big enough, so what I did is I'm going to use this one, so if it expands it's not going to hit anything, and we'll see how it turns out. Alright, we have the bacon sitting on the side. I've got eggs in there right now. We'll take and get these scrambled up good, and hopefully it's done before she gets up. Alright guys, the breakfast is done except for the pesto roll. We will check on that in a few minutes. It still says it has about 10 minutes left, so we'll see what that looks like when it gets done. Alright guys, it is done, so I'm going to let it take and cool down, and then I'll cut it up. Hope everybody has a great day.